A partnership is a form of business entity where two or more individuals come together with the aim of carrying on a business venture for profit. Partnerships are based on a legal agreement known as a partnership agreement, which outlines the rights, responsibilities, and obligations of each partner. Partnerships can be a flexible and advantageous business structure, offering various merits and benefits. However, they also have demerits and considerations that entrepreneurs should carefully evaluate before establishing a partnership. In this explanation, we will delve into the merits, demerits, and benefits of a partnership in detail. Merits of partnership. Shared resources and expertise. One of the significant advantages of a partnership is the pooling of resources and expertise. Each partner brings their unique skills, knowledge, and financial contributions to the business. This diversity of resources can enhance decision-making, problem-solving, and innovation, leading to better business outcomes. Shared financial burdens. In a partnership, the financial burdens and risks of the business are shared among the partners. This can help alleviate the financial pressure on each partner individually and provide a stronger financial base for the business. Partners can contribute capital, assets, or intellectual property, enabling the business to access more substantial funding and resources than an individual proprietorship might allow. Division of labor and specialization. Partnerships allow for the division of labor based on individual strengths and expertise. Partners can specialize in specific areas of the business according to their skills and interests, leading to greater efficiency and productivity. This specialization can result in better service delivery, improved product development, and streamlined operations. Collective decision-making. Partnerships involve joint decision-making, where partners consult, discuss, and contribute to major business decisions. This collaborative approach can lead to well-rounded decisions that consider various perspectives and expertise. Additionally, partners can hold each other accountable, ensuring that decisions are thoroughly evaluated before implementation. Shared risks and liability. Partnerships often distribute risks and liabilities among partners. While partners are generally jointly liable for the debts and obligations of the partnership, this shared responsibility can help mitigate individual risks compared to a sole proprietorship. In some cases, partnerships may also offer limited liability protection for certain partners, such as limited partners in a limited partnership or members in a limited liability partnership, LLP. Tax advantages. Partnerships offer certain tax advantages. Unlike corporations, partnerships do not face double taxation. Instead, partners report their share of profits or losses on their individual tax returns. This avoids the corporate-level taxation that corporations experience, resulting in potential tax savings for the partners. Demerits of partnership. Unlimited liability. One of the significant disadvantages of partnerships is the potential for unlimited personal liability. In a general partnership, each partner can be held personally responsible for the debts, obligations, and legal liabilities of the partnership. If the partnership incurs significant debts or faces legal issues, the personal assets of the partners may be at risk. Shared decision-making. While collective decision-making is a merit, it can also present challenges. Partners may have differing opinions, which can lead to delays, conflicts, and difficulties reaching consensus. Disagreements among partners can hinder decision-making and the efficient execution of business strategies. Partnership dissolution. Partnerships can face dissolution or disruption if one or more partners decide to leave the partnership. The departure of a partner can lead to significant operational and financial challenges, especially if the departing partner takes away crucial resources, clients, or expertise. Partnership agreements should outline provisions for the departure or death of a partner to minimize disruptions. Shared profits and control. Partnerships involve the sharing of profits among partners based on the terms of the partnership agreement. While profit sharing can be an advantage, it can also create challenges if partners have different expectations or contributions to the business. Partners may need to compromise on individual profit expectations and align their goals for the benefit of the partnership. Unlimited partnerships versus limited partnerships. In an unlimited partnership, each partner has equal liability and decision-making authority. However, limited partnerships, LPs, introduce a distinction between general partners and limited partners. General partners have unlimited liability and full control over the business, while limited partners have limited liability but limited involvement in decision-making. This imbalance in liability and control can create complexities and potential conflicts between general and limited partners. Benefits of partnership. Complementary skills and expertise. Partnerships enable the combination of diverse skills, knowledge, and experiences. This can lead to more comprehensive problem solving, innovation, and adaptability. Partners with different strengths and expertise can complement each other, bringing a broader range of skills to the business. Financial resources and capital. Partnerships allow for the pooling of financial resources, making it easier to access capital for business operations, expansion, or investment. Partners can contribute capital, assets, or intellectual property, providing a more substantial financial base than an individual proprietorship might allow. This increased financial capacity can facilitate growth and reduce reliance on external funding sources. Risk sharing. Partnerships distribute risks among partners, reducing the burden on individual partners. By sharing risks, partners can collectively manage uncertainties, market fluctuations, and unforeseen challenges. This risk-sharing aspect can provide a sense of security and stability for partners. Flexibility and agility. Partnerships often have greater flexibility compared to larger corporations. Partners can make decisions promptly without the need for extensive consultations or hierarchical approvals. This flexibility allows partnerships to respond quickly to market changes, customer demands, and emerging opportunities. Knowledge exchange and networking. Partnerships foster knowledge exchange and networking opportunities. Partners can learn from each other, share industry insights, and tap into each other's professional networks. This collaboration can lead to new business opportunities, strategic alliances, and access to valuable contacts or suppliers. Continuity and succession. Partnerships can have mechanisms in place for business continuity and succession planning. Partnership agreements can outline procedures for the departure, retirement, or death of a partner, ensuring a smooth transition of ownership and management. This continuity can help maintain customer relationships, supplier contracts, and overall business stability. How partnerships differ from other types of businesses. Partnerships differ from other business structures, such as sole proprietorships and corporations, in several key aspects. Let's explore the differences between partnerships and other types of businesses. Ownership and structure. Sole proprietorship. In a sole proprietorship, the business is owned and operated by a single individual. The owner assumes full control and responsibility for all aspects of the business. Partnerships involve two or more individuals who come together to carry on a business for profit. Partnerships are based on a legal agreement that outlines the rights, responsibilities, and obligations of each partner. Corporation. Corporations are separate legal entities distinct from their owners. They are owned by shareholders who hold shares of stock in the company. Liability. Sole proprietorship. In a sole proprietorship, the owner has unlimited personal liability for the debts, obligations, and legal liabilities of the business. Personal assets may be at risk in the event of financial difficulties or lawsuits. Partnership. General partners in a partnership have unlimited personal liability for the partnership's debts and obligations. However, limited partners in a limited partnership, LP, or limited liability partnership, LLP, have limited liability protection, shielding their personal assets from certain partnership liabilities. Corporation. Shareholders in a corporation generally have limited liability for the corporation's debts and obligations. Their personal assets are typically not at risk beyond their investment in the corporation. Decision-making. Sole proprietorship. The sole proprietor makes all business decisions independently without the need for consultations or consensus. Partnership. Partners jointly participate in decision-making, consulting, and contributing to major business decisions. This collective decision-making can involve discussions, voting, or other agreed-upon methods. Corporation. Corporations have a hierarchical decision-making structure. Major decisions are typically made by the board of directors, who are elected by the shareholders. Shareholders generally have voting rights based on their share ownership. Taxation. Sole proprietorship. Income from the business is reported on the sole proprietor's personal income tax return. The business itself is not taxed separately. Partnership. Partnerships are pass-through entities for tax purposes. The partnership itself does not pay income tax. Instead, profits or losses are passed through to the partners, who report their share on their individual tax returns. Corporation. Corporations are separate taxable entities. They must file their own corporate tax returns and pay taxes on the profits earned. Shareholders also pay taxes on any dividends received from the corporation. Continuity and succession. Sole proprietorship. The continuity of a sole proprietorship is tied to the sole proprietor's presence. If the proprietor becomes incapacitated, retires, or passes away, the business may cease to exist. Partnership. Partnerships can have provisions in the partnership agreement to address continuity and succession planning. Procedures are outlined for the departure, retirement, or death of a partner, ensuring a smooth transition of ownership and management. Corporation. Corporations have a perpetual existence independent of their owners. Ownership and management can be transferred through the sale of shares or succession planning. The corporation can continue to operate even with changes in shareholders or key personnel. Capital and fundraising. Sole proprietorship. The sole proprietor relies on personal savings, loans, or other personal financing methods for capital. Raising substantial investments or securing loans can be challenging. Partnership. Partnerships can pool resources from multiple partners, enabling access to more substantial funding. Partners can contribute capital, assets, or intellectual property, allowing for increased financial capacity. Corporation. Corporations have more options for raising capital. They can issue shares of stock to investors, both through initial public offerings, IPOs, and subsequent stock sales. This ability to attract outside investments can provide corporations with more substantial financial resources for growth and expansion. It's essential to note that each business structure has its advantages, disadvantages, and legal considerations. The choice between a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation depends on factors such as personal liability, taxation, decision-making preferences, growth plans, and the nature of the business. It's recommended to seek legal and professional advice to determine the most suitable business structure for specific needs and circumstances. In conclusion, partnerships offer several merits and benefits, including shared resources, division of labor, collective decision-making, shared risks, and tax advantages. However, partnerships also have demerits, such as unlimited liability, potential conflicts, and challenges related to decision-making and partnership dissolution. Entrepreneurs should carefully consider the specific circumstances, objectives, and dynamics of their business before opting for a partnership. Seeking legal and professional advice is crucial to establish a well-structured partnership agreement that addresses the unique needs and concerns of all partners involved. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.